Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. And as y'all can see in this video, I will be doing some custom DIY press-on nails. And right here in this clip, I'll be trying on the different nails to fit my fingers. And the little white thing that's right there, I can't remember the name of it right now, but it's for me to put my nails on as I am sizing my nails and designing them as well. So stay tuned. Be the colors I'll be using for my designs. This one right here is like a greenish color. It's by the Beetles collection on Amazon, and this one is also from Amazon. It's from the Beetles collection, and this is like a bluish, light bluish kind of color. It looks different when you polish it on the nails though. All right, and now next I'm gonna be painting the nails with this base gel. It's also from the Beetles collection, excuse me. And I'll be doing all of these for the nails. This is what I'll be putting on before I put the polish on. Alright, I'll be using nail glue to put on my rhinestones. You can also use the adhesive rhinestone glue. I use that as well in this video, but I prefer the nail glue because it dries faster than the glue does. So yeah, but it's really pretty much up to you, whichever one you want to use. They both work. Alright, in this clip I will be putting on the Mickey Mouse holographic nail art sequence, and the camera is okay. And right here I'll be using the holographic line stripping tape to design this nail. Alright, so right here I will be applying my AB crystals on the tip of these nails. And I don't know if y'all saw my LED light that I'll be using throughout the video, but I am using one of those to dry my nails. Alright y'all, we finally got to the end of this video. I really hope that y'all like the DIY press-on nails that I've created. And if you do, please click that like button. And definitely click that subscribe button. And please click that bell for the notifications of my upcoming videos. And I'll catch y'all on my next one.